Alright guys, so we're on our way to ALC right now. We picked up a 88 Grand Marquis, nice square bodied. The motor turns over, but the wiring's all chopped up, so it doesn't currently run. The interior has been fairly stripped, so it'll be a good car for them to get going on. I don't think it's going to take them that long to build, but I think it's going to be a good car. We'll find out in a second. Alright, so anything that pretty much is flammable or plastic needs to come off this car. I'm going to go through and mark everything just so you guys know, but part of it's already done. This stuff here, you rip it up, it's still going to have this hair underneath it. Don't worry about getting it off. You're not going to get it off. It's going to take more work than it's worth. We'll just paint over it. But this whole top needs to be ripped off here. Looks like most of the glass is already out. There's a lot of chunks in here. They just need to be pulled out.
If you guys want to get in and get up close, feel free. Don't be scared of the car.
That pole cable's probably not under there anymore. Let's see what this is.
Thank you.
Building release. All right, cool. Actually, might go to. There's a bolt right here. Might pull off each one of those.
Oh yeah, I see it.
I can't tell if there's another one you gotta get to or not. If so, you'll have to pull off all that.
Yeah.
But see if you can reach down in there and just get to that one, see if that will pop them off.
Okay, you see it?
See that under there?
We need a extender.
Yeah.
Josh, we did it. Here, come here. This is the whole thing that we need to get.
I think it might be just the one.
Quick work out of this.
They are. So what we were talking about was maybe dedicating one day to come to all of your classes
Okay.
and just having them work around the clock.
Okay.
Like a derby car in a day type of deal.
That works.
And we can...
Alright guys, we just dropped off the car to ALC. They were pretty excited about it. So for those of you that don't know, what we do is we go and donate cars to high schools. Then we teach them how to build demolition derby cars. So the car that you guys seen is actually going to be turned into a demolition derby car by the schools. All we do is go in and teach them how to do it. The students do all the work from the tear down to the build back up. If you guys want to see more of our program and more derby content, like, share, follow us Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We're trying to get on everything so everybody can see this and follow it. This is the only program in the nation.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody.